going on, everybody? Today we're at the Hard Rock, going to do a room tour of the Deluxe King in the Casino Tower, room 933. Let's check it out. Alright, so coming into the room, to the left is your closet. So you got the in-room safe, ironing board hangers are all on that side, and your luggage rack. The luggage rack's below it. There's your ironing board. You got a full body mirror, so if you need to check yourself out, full view, you have this on the door to the bathroom. And this is your bathroom. There's your sink, toilet, and behind it is the shower. So pretty nice shower. It's a little small bathroom, but it serves its purpose. Over here is your work and counter area. So you need a little desk to do some work. We got a light for you. A couple of outlets right here and USB charging. So you've got some charging ports. This is the mini bar area. So got a couple snacks in here if you want to eat in the room. They will charge you for it. Then the ice bucket and cups come with the room. Down here you've got a little wet bar, so if you want to order some alcoholic beverages, you can do that as well. And then here, just some storage drawers. You need to store some things. I've got a flat screen, LED TV, and I think that was LCD. I don't think that's an LED. Here's your king bed, nice king bed, 2 lamps on each side. And this is your view. This is a view of the city. So Hard Rock is off the strip, so most of the views will have city views. Some do have strip views. And that's gonna do it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching.